Every single person has a baggage and pain that they're carrying around in life. And if you really want career growth or growth in your relationships, growth in your happiness, you've got to replace that baggage with some psychological assessments of yourself. I feel in the month of December of every year, when your head kind of fears, when you have your ear behind you, you should analyze what you did wrong and what you can do right. Primarily, these three things are the things which people do wrong. The first is living in their fears. From a career perspective, if you don't face some of your fears, if you don't do something that scares you, if you don't take risks every year, especially in your early career, your career is going to stagnate a little bit. Every single year, you should try to challenge yourself at least once to elevate yourself a little bit. Secondly, you need to forgive the people who did you wrong, because inherently everyone's natural state is good. There is good in a lot of people. They just make mistakes because of their own circumstances. You need to forgive the people, but at the same time, you've got to understand your own patterns. Remember, the pattern you have in relationships, pattern you have with your friendships, the patterns you have in your career will repeat themselves, especially if they are negative and if you don't learn from them early on. So please understand what you are doing wrong, how you are thinking wrong, the wrong people that you are selecting in life. Understand that situation and eliminate it from your life. So always analyze your life and analyze yourself in those key decision moments. And every time you feel like you are going down that same pattern, you're falling for someone who could potentially turn out to be toxic, you're spotting red flags, but you are still going down that same pattern. Change up things a little bit. The third key psychological assessment is let go of past traumas, the loss of someone or something from your life. Whether that's you getting fired from your job or you losing that someone special. So you need to understand that you cannot keep living in the past, and all you have in your hands today is the present. You know, our colleges and schools teach us how to accept rewards, but they don't teach us how to deal with rejections, how to deal with failures, how to deal with loss. That's something you are supposed to learn yourself in your adulthood. Learn to have a more comfortable relationship with everyone that's negative. Be it failure, be it rejection, be it breakups, be it the death of a loved one. You've got to accept all these concepts as a reality of the world that we live in. Well, that's the reality of life. It's never smooth sailing. It's never all positives. You've got to learn to run with the negatives. And even in the most challenging situations, you've got to learn to channelize your inner warrior. And at the same time, you've got to learn to channelize your inner therapist. Keep analyzing yourself. Keep analyzing your own life. And if you feel that you can't do it yourself, go see a friend or get some professional help. Go see a therapist. But this is very crucial for you every single year that you let go of your past baggage and move into a brighter and a calmer future. So let's try to become a better individual, a better version of ourselves in the coming year, 2021, with the very same message.